Alright, so today I'm gonna show you how to do an inversion patterns. So this technique is required to rotate 180 degrees. First thing first, let's focus on the handle placement. So if you're on the right hand side, you just start the handle that point out from your body, and you're gonna start to pull the first pattern, and then you're gonna bring the handle that go to the wrong way back to the right directions. Now I'm gonna use the thumb and the index again, but this time I'm gonna paste right in the middle for the both sides. So start by tilting your cup. Now first pull your first patterns. After you finish, you're gonna turn the handle back to the right positions. And now it's time you're gonna pour the second half of your pattern. But make sure that you always tilt the cup while you're pouring. The result, you're gonna see the handle placements of your pattern gonna be at 3 p.m. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do my first pattern. Let's get started. I steam the milk in the small jug and transfer to 420 ml. Start by tilting the cup. Start to pour the first pattern. Make sure the pattern not beyond the handle. Slowly turn the handle back to the right positions. Pour the second half. And here you go. Now the handle gonna be at 3 p.m. I'm gonna repeat this pattern again. See the handle gonna point out from your body. Tilting the cup, mixing the milk, and start to pour your first patterns. Slowly turn the handle back. Make sure everything right in the center. Now pour the second half again. And here you go. Nice and center. And now let's check the pattern through the handle. Now your pattern has a good harmony. Now for my next pattern, I'm gonna do more complicated. This time I'm gonna do 3 turns. So first turn I start almost in the center. And then the second turn, I'm gonna pour the swan. Now I'm gonna do my last turn, the third time. I'm gonna pull the bow. So that's why this pattern has 3 turns. And my last pattern for my tutorial today is a swan landing. So this is a pattern that I created in 2014 and it became my logo. So first, now turn the handle back. Put the second half of the patterns. So slowly pushing. And here you go, my swan landing. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone enjoyed my tutorial. See you guys soon!